Hi children, welcome back to your English online classes of Sri Gokulam Public School Guruvayur. I'm Asha, your English teacher. So we have completed our lesson 7, playing in the park. Today let us discuss the review of this lesson. So what is the story of this lesson? Yes, there are two children and their names are Hari and Tina. And they are friends and every day they goes to the park in the evening. And they like to play on the swing and the seesaw. And one day a new boy comes to the park. What is his name? Yes, Suman. Suman wants to sit on the swing. Suman wants to sit on the swing, so he pushes Hari from the swing. So our Hari falls down and he feels hurt and he started to cry. At that time our Hari's friend Tina, she says, "Don't be unkind, Suman." What do you mean by unkind? Unkind means not kind. Don't be unkind, Suman. And they decided no one play with Suman. So in the next day itself, no one plays with Suman. So he became so sad and he says sorry to Hari. And finally they became friends and they play together. That's the story. And from this lesson we have discussed one new word and its meaning, that is unkind. What do you mean by unkind? Yes, unkind means not kind. And what's the moral of the story? Yes, we must share our things with others. We must share our things with others and we can make them happy. At the same time, we can be happy too. So don't forget that one, children. You should try to share your things with others. It's a very good habit. And we have discussed two question answers. What are they? The first, what does Suman do in the park? What does Suman do in the park? What does Suman do in the park? Yes, Suman pushes Hari from the swing. And the second question, what do Hari and Tina do to teach Suman a lesson? What do Hari and Tina do to teach Suman a lesson? What did they do? Yes, Hari and Tina, they do not play with Suman to teach him a lesson. And we have discussed the use of a or an, that is articles, in the grammar topic. For example, dash apple. Apple is the word starting with the sound A. A is a vowel or consonant? Yeah, A is a vowel sound. There are 5 vowel sounds are there in English alphabet. They are A, E, I, O, U. So apple is the word starting with A. It's a vowel sound. For that we can use an. So we can write it like this, an apple. And another example, dash carrot. Dash carrot. Carrot is the word starting with the letter C. It's a consonant. So before that we can use A. So for the vowel sound we can use an, and before the consonant sound we can use A. And in the vocabulary session, match the feeling with the action. We need to listen the action carefully. After that, which word is suitable for that feeling, that we need to write. In the vocabulary session, we have discussed and we have completed that activity. And we have discussed listening session and the speaking session. In the speaking session, we have discussed the use of I like and the use of I don't like. For example, I like flowers that are very pretty. I don't like winter, it's so cold. Okay, so you keep practicing the use of I like and I don't like. And in the writing session, we have discussed when you will get some jumble words, how to arrange these words to make a meaningful sentence. Okay, and one more thing, that is punctuation marks, the use of capital letters and full stop. Whenever we start to write any sentence, the first letter should be in capital letter. Completed that sentence, at the last we must put a full stop. Okay, and after the full stop again we are start to write any sentence, the first letter should be in capital letter. We have done the textual activity regarding this punctuation marks, capital letter and full stop. And we have discussed the workbook, page number 13 and 14 of this chapter. I hope you have completed the workbook. And you should complete your notes, read the lesson and write and study the new words and the question answers and practice more worksheet and file it with you. I also attached a review test of this lesson in this classroom. So all of you should attend the test and send your answers as hand-in only. Okay, don't forget to read the textbook. So we have completed this lesson and you should complete your notes, and once in a week you should write 1 or 2 pages from your cursive writing book, and we can meet in the next classroom. Stay safe and stay at home. Thank you.